This is Plus Jolie Fille, and probably one of her roughest days sailing. Finally, we get some relief, just as I thought. The sun is setting, the wind shifted. Oh man, that was a lot. That was a lot of stress. And this is still pretty heavy weather. Feels like absolutely nothing compared to what we just went through. Oh, so, moral of the story, when they say 14 knot winds and 3 foot waves, what they really mean is 30 knot winds and 4 to 5 foot waves. What a gorgeous sunset. This is what you get at the end of the day. Oh, it's calming down quite a bit. No white caps. It's amazing how fast things change. Oh, yeah, the birds are out again. Like nothing ever happened. What an adventure. And this is Plus Jolie Fille, sailing off into the sunset once again.